website we're talking about today is omdyalgroup.com. This website is for the parent company that owns institutions like colleges, schools, and coaching classes. So this is the home screen. As you may see, it's a landing page, of course. In the landing page, I have divided all the different sections, which are all the different schools and institutions we have under our parent umbrella. So now the cool feature about this homepage is once you are on the homepage, you can just hover over the different institution and then watch the different animations or the videos relating to that school populate on the screen. That's really cool because this in a way is very interactive for the UI experience, and also very modern and modern looking. So now what happens when you click on one of these institutions? For example, if I go ahead and look at Delhi Public School Ruby Park, it will not only show the video of the school, but also highlight up. So when I do click this, it will continue the video, but take me to the page where information of this particular school is highlighted here. My whole idea behind this is to have a very interactive feel. So once this does come on the screen as well, I picture photos of the school coming in, then different snippets of videos populating here where shows videos of the school, more information on the school, a redirect link that can take you to the website of the school from this page, also provide other information like facilities in the school, infrastructure of the school, and if someone wanted to apply, there would be an apply option here too, where apply to the school feature. So that's the kind of gist of every institution page. Now, if I were to go to, for example, Ruby Park Public School, it would be very similar. Again, it would have all the same features I mentioned before for this particular school as well, just as apply, video snippets, and so on. My whole idea behind this is it's very user friendly. At the same time, it's very appealing to the audience. Now look at the institutions. The institutions currently has nothing here, but I can imagine this being a portfolio where all the different brands under a parent company are highlighted here. And once hovering above them, just like the home page, one can see information and then click on them to further go into the particular institution page. The news and media, my idea behind the news and media is to have a Facebook page or our Instagram page or a Twitter handle or YouTube page, everything related to that has come in the media or something that we'd want to demonstrate come populate here. This would be a good option for anyone visiting our website to see anything that we've been spoken about in the media out there. Contact us page is going to be a very simple page. It's going to have just get in touch with the office address, the map of the place of the main headquarter office, and any information that we want to carry out. So as you may see, these pages aren't complete because this has to be populated with information that is already there. The whole gist is to kind of create this vibe, this look and feel of this website where we have this interactive page. And if you see, the homepage does not scroll vertically, it's just a horizontal landing page. And that's the beauty of this, that it's just limited to this. So once people come on this website, they are anyways intrigued by the different institutions we have to offer, that they only focus on that. Thank you.